Santa Slideshow!
Lightyear. Hey, up here, Astro.
God, wait, we
If you
have
think you can just
to
show
watch
off
out.
and
They
take our
got
top 5 spot,
PTK.
you're wrong. Dead wrong. You don't understand. I'm trying to cheat the system and get with a kid? Yeah, we know. No, I need a child to shower you with unconditional love. Join the club, pal. Yeah, join the club. Come on, help me get out of here. I'll help you. With my foot. Get him. Oh, get him. Bunny, what are you doing? I can't reach him. Help me out here. Come on. Oh, sorry, Ducky. I'm not a mind reader.
Santa!
You want me to say it?
What?
With these tiny legs, I cannot reach without your help. Oh, all right? Okay. This is what I've been talking about, buddy. You need to work on paying attention and your listening skills.
Oh! That's I'm going. Ah! This is gonna be. It's not Santa! I'm not going to. No way! Please! I'm doing yourself!
So that's what gravity feels like.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, where you going?
You better get over here, spaceman!
Put us back up there. Buddy, what are you doing? He's getting away. Let's go.
I'm trying.
Come on.
Antique store, here we come.
Oh, why do you ride around in a skunk? Oh, I get it. Smart.
Corn dogs, corn dogs, corn dogs! Why are you so bad at driving? You got 6 odds. Thanks for the landing. Come on, follow me. I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry. Happens all the time. Tape! Not a bad hiding spot. Yeah. Leaves a skunk. We'll fix it later. 10-4. This will be more fun. Let's get you to that store.
Okay, spill it. A cowboy. What's the deal?
There's no deal.
Uh-huh. Don't do this to yourself.
Cowboy's got a kid. Giggle.
Trust me, I've been there. You know about me and He-Man.
I'm not proud. Shh, here he comes.
Oh, Santa! Oh!
Not you.
Second chance antiques. Straight ahead.
Heavy foot traffic at the entrance.
Easiest way in is the roof. Let's go antiquing.
Hold on.
Huh? Whoa! How did you end up here? I thought you were given to a new family.
Oh, you know how it goes. Their little girl grew up and didn't need me anymore, so...
Oh, I'm sorry, Bo.
Who needs a kid's room when you can have all of this?
What you looking at, Sheriff?
What? Oh, no, that wasn't. No, nothing. I was looking at the store right there. I was looking at the antique store.
Giggle, count us down. 5.
Count that for what?
You want to get to the store, don't you?
Santa!
The highway exit has to be somewhere. Where is it?
Meteor shower! Look out!
Woody? Good work, inner voice.
So, how about you? How's your new kid?
Bonnie? Oh, she's great. Jessie is loving it.
Jesse's still with you.
Oh, yeah, the whole gang's still together. Well, I mean, most of us.
What about Rex?
Yeah, Rex, Bullseye, Slinky, the potato heads.
Buzz?
Yeah, Buzz, too. I cannot wait to see his face when he hears that I found O.P.
Buzz! My old moving buddy.
Buzz?
So good to see you.
Woody, it's Bo Peep. What are you doing here?
Hey! Oh, hoi!
Every year. 3 years. That's how long we've been hanging up there waiting for a kid.
Look, I'm sorry about that.
You ruined our lives. Shame on you.
Who are these guys?
Lightyear promised us a kid.
You did what? I did not.
Hey! No! Stop!
You got a kid.
Like a kid? Like a human kid?
Not a baby girl.
It's Santa!
I'll take you to Bonnie.
We're getting yes. We're getting a kid. We're gonna get a kid.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna
Where's Forky? Long story.
Nobody has left.
Forky's gone.
This is it. I got to know Santa. Believing the kid out of it, not anyway.
They're about to leave.
The panic is
Ah!
Hey, watch it,
What do
buddy.
we do? We have to stop them. How?
We could frame Dad for a crime so he goes to jail.
Or go back in time and warn Woody about the
That's
future.
crazy. I'm a flat earther.
Jesse!
I'm sorry, Bonnie. We looked everywhere, but we need to get going now, okay?
Can we please leave a note for Forky so he knows where we're going? He has to go to kindergarten.
Are you kidding me? I can't. Just everything is going.
Okay, Daddy's gonna use some words. How about we
How
go
do
to
they have to
Canada?
go?
Or maybe check out some of
This is
those
the
shops
future.
in
What do I do?
What did you do? We're not going anywhere. If you get my point.
I'm sure Buzz and Woody are on their way back right now.
Whoa.